For the easy removal of hard skin, Scholl has developed the Velvet Smooth Express Pedi for soft, beautiful feet in an instant. For optimal results, your feet should be clean and dry. The surface of the roller is covered with tiny microgranulates that remove excess hard skin quickly and easily. Turn on the unit by twisting the silver collar. To remove dry, hard skin, glide the Scholl Velvet Smooth Express Pedi over the affected area using light pressure and even strokes. Continue doing so in smooth, gentle movements until the hard skin is removed and your feet are smooth and soft again. After every 2 to 3 seconds of use, turn off the device and check the results. Repeat the process if required. The Scholl Velvet Smooth Express Pedi has no sharp blades and is equipped with a safety stop. The device will stop immediately if too much pressure is applied. When you've finished using the device, rub your feet down with a damp cloth. Doing so quickly and easily removes any dead skin that's been left behind.